Hi guys! Have you guys wondered how those Thai restaurants make their red curry so delicious? I will show you how in this video. Let's start with the veggies. Slice half of a red bell pepper. You can use any colored bell pepper, but I like using red and yellow for red curry. Okay, that's done. Then slice half yellow bell pepper. Remove the seeds in the middle. And chop a quarter of one broccoli bunch. If your broccoli bunch is small, you can use half of it. And we need half of a large onion. Slice the onion. Okay, that's the veggies. Let's move on to protein. I'm using 2 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken thighs. Remove fat and skin if there's any on your meat. Then cut the chicken about 1/4 inch by 1 inch thick. Season the chicken with half teaspoon of kosher salt and half teaspoon of black pepper. Give them nice stir so every part can be seasoned. Okay, let's cook now. 2 tablespoons of cooking oil at medium-high heat. It should sizzle when you pour your chicken in. Cook chicken about 5 minutes until you don't see any pink outside. Turn the heat off, take the chicken out, then set aside. Do you see the chicken juice? Discard the liquid. Then clean the pan with a paper towel. 1 tablespoon cooking oil. Then 1/4 cup of this red curry paste. This is super important. You have to have this brand. Break the curry paste and cook about 30 seconds to a minute. Add veggies. And add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Cook the veggies with the red curry paste for 3 to 5 minutes. Add 2 cans of coconut milk. Stir the coconut milk around, then add half cup of water. 3 tablespoons of sugar. And here is the secret, 4 tablespoons of heavy lychee syrup. And I'm going to add several lychees. This is optional. If you don't want lychees in your curry, you don't have to put it in, but you do have to put the syrup. Okay, let's put the chicken back. Only the meat, no liquid. See, discard the liquid. Lastly, we need this brand fish sauce, 2 tablespoons. While the curry is cooking, chop 1 tablespoon of cilantro. Let's sprinkle some cilantro. Oh, it looks so good. Try this curry with jasmine rice. You will be amazed. Thank you for watching. I will see you in my next video.